Welcome back. Today we're fixing the most misunderstood dish fruit salad. Most people just toss random fruit together and call it a day. That's why so many fruit salads are bland or soggy. The secret? It's all about the right mix. Texture, flavor, and balance. A great fruit salad is crisp, sweet, tangy, and juicy in every bite. I'll show you the 10 must-have fruits and how to prep each one for maximum impact. Get your knives and bowls ready. Let's make the best fruit salad you've ever tasted. Let's get cooking. The apple is your salad's backbone. Don't use a soft, mealy one. The right apple sets the stage for everything that follows, so this choice matters more than you might think. A lackluster apple can drag down the whole dish, while a crisp, juicy one will elevate every bite. Go for a crisp variety like Honeycrisp, Fuji, or Granny Smith for that essential crunch and a burst of tartness. These apples don't just add texture. They bring a lively, refreshing flavor that balances the sweetness of other fruits. Their natural acidity keeps your salad from tasting flat. Pick apples that are firm and heavy, with no bruises. A good apple should feel solid in your hand, with smooth, unblemished skin. Avoid any that feel light or have soft spots, as these are signs of age or internal damage. Dice them into uniform, half-inch cubes for perfect texture. Consistency and size means every forkful delivers the same satisfying crunch, and it helps the apples blend seamlessly with the other fruits in your salad. Toss the cubes in a splash of lemon or orange juice to keep them fresh and vibrant. This quick step prevents browning and adds a subtle zing, ensuring your apples look and taste their best from the first bite to the last. This step is non-negotiable. Apples provide the structure and refreshing bite that every great fruit salad needs. Without them, your salad risks becoming mushy and one-dimensional. Uniformity and freshness set the tone for the whole dish. When your apples are cut with care and kept crisp, the rest of your ingredients will follow suit, making your salad truly memorable. Start strong, and you're already halfway to perfection. The apple is more than just another ingredient. It's the anchor that holds your salad together. Don't mess it up. Take your time, choose wisely, and treat your apples with respect. The apple is your foundation. Build on it, and your fruit salad will always stand out. Bananas can truly make or break your fruit salad, so it's important to choose wisely. Look for a firm, just right banana, one that's yellow with only a hint of green at the tips. Avoid bananas that are overripe or have too many brown spots, as they'll turn mushy and overpower the other flavors in your salad. The right banana should feel slightly springy to the touch, not soft or squishy. When it's time to prep, slice your banana into thick coins, about 1/4 inch each. This thickness helps the banana hold its shape and gives each bite a satisfying, creamy texture. Always add the banana slices last, just before serving, to keep them from turning brown or mushy as they sit. Gently fold the banana slices into your salad, using a light hand so they don't break apart. This way, they'll keep their beautiful shape and add a creamy sweetness that balances the tartness of other fruits. Thanks to the banana's natural sugars, you won't need to add any extra sweeteners. Nature's candy does the job perfectly. The banana is the perfect counterpoint to the crisp crunch of apples or the juicy burst of berries. Its soft, mellow flavor and smooth texture create a luscious, dessert-like quality in every spoonful. Remember, add the banana at the last minute, mix gently, and you'll get that perfect, creamy contrast every time. Use banana like a pro, and your fruit salad will truly shine. Creamy, sweet, and never slimy. When you treat the banana right, it elevates your salad from simple to spectacular. That's the secret to a fruit salad everyone will remember. Oranges aren't just for flavor, they're your salad's natural dressing. Supreme the orange, cut away the peel and pith, then slice out the juicy segments. Do this over your bowl to catch every drop of juice. Squeeze the leftover membranes for extra juice. Liquid gold. The result, pure, tender orange flesh and a bright, zesty syrup that coats every fruit. No bitter bits, just vibrant citrus. This step adds elegance and a refreshing tang. Oranges bring color, moisture, and a vitamin C boost. They're the juicy soul of your salad. Don't skip the supreme. Pineapple brings tropical excitement. Always use fresh, never canned. Pick one that's heavy and fragrant. A leaf should pull out easily. Slice off the top and bottom, remove the skin, and cut out the tough core. Dice the flesh into bite-sized chunks, matching your apple's size. Pineapple's sweet tart flavor and firm texture add a bold, juicy chew. It balances the salad and keeps things lively. The enzyme bromelain even helps with digestion. Pineapple is your salad's tropical punch. It's a must for excitement and balance. Add it for a taste of the tropics. Grapes are nature's candy. Choose firm, seedless ones for juicy pops of sweetness. Use red, green, or both for color and flavor variety. Wash thoroughly, then have larger grapes for easier eating and better juice distribution. Their crisp skin and juicy centers add a playful texture. Grapes hold their shape and don't break down in the salad. They're little flavor bombs in every bite. Mix of colors makes your salad look stunning. Simple prep, big impact. Never underestimate the power of a perfect grape. They bring joy and surprise to every spoonful. Watermelon is summer in a bowl, refreshing, hydrating, and light. With every bite, you get a burst of coolness that instantly quenches your thirst, making it the perfect treat for hot days. Its high water content not only keeps you hydrated, but also helps you feel energized and refreshed. When choosing a watermelon, look for one that's heavy for its size, with a creamy yellow field spot and a deep, hollow sound when tapped. These are signs of ripeness and juiciness, ensuring you get the sweetest, most flavorful fruit. Slice it open, remove the thick green rind, and cube the vibrant red flesh to match your other fruits. Cutting it into bite-sized pieces makes it easy to mix and enjoy in any fruit salad. Watermelon's subtle sweetness and crisp, juicy texture cleanse the palate and add a refreshing contrast to other fruits. Its flavor is gentle, never overpowering, making it a crowd pleaser. Add the cubes near the end of assembling your salad to avoid excess liquid pooling at the bottom. This keeps your salad fresh and prevents it from becoming soggy. Its vibrant red color is a visual highlight, making your salad look as good as it tastes. The pop of color draws everyone in. Watermelon keeps the salad from feeling heavy, adding a lightness that's perfect for summer gatherings or picnics. It's the ingredient that makes you crave another bite, thanks to its juicy, refreshing nature and satisfying crunch. Essential for a summer fruit salad, watermelon brings everything together. Don't leave it out if you want your salad to truly shine. Strawberries bring intense color, sweet tart flavor, and a soft, juicy bite. Choose berries that smell fragrant and are red all the way to the stem. Wash gently, hull, and slice or quarter depending on size. Good strawberries add substance, not mush. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Strawberries make your salad beautiful and healthy. Their flavor pairs perfectly with citrus and apple. They're a classic for a reason. Add them for a burst of red and a nutritional boost. They're the heart of your salad. Kiwi adds a splash of exotic green and a zesty tartness. Pick one that yields slightly to pressure, neither rock hard nor mushy. Peel and slice into coins or chunks. The tiny seeds add a subtle crunch and visual flair. Kiwi's tangy flavor balances sweeter fruits and keeps the salad lively. Its color makes the dish pop, adds complexity and a palate-cleansing bite. Kiwi is your secret weapon for brightness. It's the jewel that elevates your salad. Don't skip it. Mango is pure tropical luxury. Choose a ripe, fragrant one that yields to gentle pressure. Slice off the cheeks, score the flesh, and cube it for easy removal. Mango's soft, juicy texture and floral sweetness are unmatched. It coats the salad in nectar-like juice, adding richness. The golden color and aroma are irresistible. Mango pairs beautifully with tart and creamy fruits. It makes your salad feel special and indulgent. Go for creamy varieties like Atalfo or Kent. Mango is the queen of tropical fruits. Add it for pure decadence. Blueberries are the finishing touch. tiny, powerful, and packed with antioxidants. Choose firm, plump berries with a silvery bloom. Rinse gently and remove any stems. No chopping needed, just scatter them in. Their subtle sweetness and tartness complement every other fruit. Blueberries fill every bite with a soft pop of flavor. They add deep blue color and a nutritional boost. The ultimate team player in your salad. Blueberries complete the masterpiece. Don't forget them. There you have it. A fruit salad that's vibrant, balanced, and anything but boring. Each fruit was chosen and prepped for maximum flavor and texture. Now it's your turn. Use these principles and make it your own. Share your favorite combos in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Get in the kitchen and create your perfect fruit salad. Cheers!